The pipes most likely to freeze are not always outdoors. Start by finding water lines in unheated basements, crawl spaces, garages, exterior walls, cabinets, and areas where cold air enters around cables or vents. Before freezing weather arrives, disconnect garden hoses and shut off and drain exterior lines if your plumbing system includes an indoor isolation valve. Follow the manufacturer's winterizing instructions for irrigation systems, pools, and seasonal plumbing. Pipes that will not be used during winter may need to be shut off and drained. Insulate vulnerable pipes with material designed for plumbing, paying close attention to elbows, valves, and exposed sections. Insulation slows heat loss, but it does not create heat, so pipes in extremely cold spaces may need an approved, thermostatically controlled heat cable installed exactly as directed. Seal cold air leaks around pipe penetrations, foundations, doors, and windows without blocking required combustion air or ventilation openings. Keep garage doors closed when supply pipes run through the garage. Maintain safe indoor heat even when the home is vacant. Open sink cabinet doors when necessary to allow warm room air to reach pipes along exterior walls, while keeping hazardous cleaners away from children and pets. During extreme cold, your water utility may recommend allowing a vulnerable faucet to drip slightly. Follow local guidance because climate, plumbing design, and water restrictions differ. Running water reduces freezing risk but does not guarantee protection. Know where the main shutoff valve is before an emergency occurs. If a pipe freezes, close the water if leakage is suspected and thaw it gradually with warm air. Never use a torch, open flame, or unattended heater. Bulging, cracked, or leaking pipe requires immediate professional repair. A frozen pipe may begin leaking only after it thaws. Comment which part of your home is most exposed: the basement, crawl space, garage, or exterior wall.